How to use vinegar to clean your home. So many different messes come into play in the kitchen. You've got your everyday spills and wipe downs, the grease spatters, microwave explosions, and oven disasters that leave you wondering what to do. And before you can deal with any of that, you have to be careful to choose a cleaner that's safe for the surface you're cleaning and for your family. It's enough to make anyone throw their hands up in defeat, but if you make vinegar one of your go-to kitchen cleaners, it gets a lot easier. Here are some smart ways to use vinegar in the kitchen. The products that you use to clean your bathroom need to be tough enough to kill germs and mildew and to cut through soap scum and that thick layer of toothpaste that your kids always leave in the sink. They also need to leave your faucet shiny and your mirror streak-free. That's a tall order for any cleaner, but vinegar is definitely up to the task. Here's how to use vinegar to clean your bathroom from top to bottom. Fabric softeners, stain removers, oxygen boosters. Don't be fooled into thinking you need all of these products to get your clothes clean. There's very little that your regular detergent and a bottle of vinegar can't tackle. Here's how you can use vinegar in your laundry room. Tackle dirt, stains, odors, and all the rest of your household cleanups with a bit of vinegar and elbow grease. Once you see all the things vinegar can do, you won't have the need for much else in your cleaning kit. Here are some uses for vinegar that are sure to impress you. If you're not a fan of the way vinegar smells, just follow these simple steps to add your favorite scent to vinegar or add a few drops of essential oil to your finished cleaning products. While vinegar is safe for most surfaces, it isn't safe for every surface. Avoid using vinegar on natural stone countertops and floors, like those made of granite, marble, and quartz. It will etch the stone. You should also avoid using vinegar on unsealed grout or grout that needs to be resealed again. Waxed surfaces are a no-no, too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.